Hey babe, I'm back.
Hey. No, I'm not wearing anything. You hillbilly, you remember the prom?
No, I got a car.
Idiot, why don't you go get it?
I
Taking a
forgot
shower,
it.
so don't come in here. Her. Man. Horrible husband. I see you. Excuse me.
Sorry. Did you hire a clown, babe? With a knife on the couch that's coming towards me?
Ooh, honey, you're ready? I'm ready too. Oh.
You're next. You're next. I know you're next. Because when I find you,
Wait to come back.
you're dead. And next time I find you, I'm gonna slice.
Revenge, baby.
Now you are soon to be next.
Gonna go get my husband and then I'll turn you off.